Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi and welcome to Rush Beats. So, what I have thought about this channel is I whenever I make videos, I always it is automatic for me to talk in English because I always wanted to be very fluent in English and now I am, but my crowd on my main channel is basically Hindi speaking and they want to connect in Hindi because that is our mother tongue and I don't blame for that because I also feel more connected in Hindi. But now when I have practiced so much to talk in English, I think that I can help you also to be very fluent and learn how to be like this. If you like how I talk over the camera and if you like how to be confident in front of anyone when you are when you start talking in English, like how I learned, I was blessed to be studying in a convent school where it was compulsory to talk in English. Second of all, when my whole syllabus, everything was in English, and I was myself attracted to this language because not because this is English, because this is a worldwide language. You must be knowing it. Like, it gives you an edge, to be very much frank, right? Second of all, when I went to Ames, the problem was people were from all around the country and not just India. They were from Bhutan and Maldives and other places. So you don't have any other medium other than English to communicate with them. That is the common language, right? So just in case in future, if you want to travel to other country, you must know English. I am also very much thrilled to learn other language, but mainly English. So I have thought, I am also not very much perfect right now, but I'm learning, and I think I'm in a very right stage where I can lead you guys with myself. We can together learn English and be fluent, and I can teach you good phrases and how to link statements and phrases together to make a sentence where you can be very confident in talking to people in front of you, and there won't be any lag or ooh. It's so the course I'm doing right now has taught me a lot of link words which makes your sentence more attractive, right? So plus about the accent, the thing is, I know many people tell me that maybe I am getting some fake accent from somewhere, but the thing is, I only watch English TV series. I don't have that Delhi accent. I don't have that American accent or Australian accent or English accent. I just have my own accent, and this gets sometime induced with the people I talk, and the people I talk is all the TV series I watch. So to get started on this, I would suggest you, if you want to learn English, first suggest any course to join. I would just suggest you to watch people who talk, how they phrase sentences, how it is spontaneous. See, this video is not scripted, right? I'm just coming and talking to you. So this is what is going to happen on Rush Beats. I will come and talk about some topics. You will suggest me something, and I'll keep talking on that, and you will learn how I'm phrasing the sentences. I will give you some phrases which will help you in your conversation, and some words, some vocabularies. The best tip for now, it will be, if you watch some TV series, don't watch with subtitles, and just in case you find some words which are new to you, search for that word in Google. It will just take 10 seconds, and you will have a nice cute word in your vocabulary to use it anytime, and your sentences will look attractive and you will look attractive. The way you talk, that is what makes you attractive, not the way you dress. That is okay, that dressing sense also matters, but when you start speaking, even somebody who is in a very subtle outfit, if they start talking in a very good tone and very good English, very good phrases, very good vocabulary, they are attractive. And I have learned throughout this 4 years on YouTube how to be very confident in front of people about talking. When, like, if somebody will point camera at me at any event, I'm always ready. I'm like ready to roll. Okay, so this is what I have learned and I want to share it, and I think Rush Beats is the perfect platform for that, because my main channel, Rashmi Sharma, is for NEET student, and it's more about education, about medical life. This is for like how to improve yourself, how to upgrade yourself, because I am in my 20s and I'm upgrading myself, and I'm in a stage where I want to share my journey with you, and I want to learn with you all, guys. So if this will be completely free, this is not even a course, this is just a fun activity which you can just participate by just watching the video, right? We can have some live session where you will also have the chance to add words, add sentences and everything, and you can also give me tips. I'm very much open for that. So let me know if this idea suits for you, and we are going to continue on this channel. Thank you so much. Bye.